chapter 3, moving towards the end, we're going to do a box and whisker plot, which is a really useful illustration that helps to summarize the data and identify outliers. And so we're just going to follow the text again, bottom of page 45. Um, your your steps are going to be a bit different in the more recent versions of SPSS than in the older versions, which this textbook used. So pay attention here. Analyze, descriptives. Oops. Analyze, descriptives, explore. Okay, I'm going to reset all that. Analyze, descriptives. Let's start over. Sorry, guys. Analyze, descriptives, explore. And so, what are we supposed to do here? SAT math is to go into the dependent list. Let's find it. Nope. There it is. SAT math. Arrow it over. And our factor list is gender. Arrow it over. Now here we just want plots. Okay. Because if you select both, you're going to get a lot of additional data. We're just not interested in that right now. Right now, we just want plots. Select plots. Then select plots here. And we're going to deselect descriptive because we're not interested in that. We're interested in box plots. Everything else is fine. Leave this here, leave it at the default. Continue. And then OK. Alright, so let's look at our output here. Now, there's a bit of a problem here, and I think it's a problem with your textbook. Um, but in terms of the male portion, everything is as it should be. See the upper range just over 700, as is the case in your textbook. The lower range just over 300. For females, we see this one outlier here, but we also have two outliers here. Okay, so this is case number 54, and this is the same value for case number 6 and case number 63. Okay, so let's look at the data. All right, let's look. We're looking at SAT math female. And so we're going to look at case 54 as extraordinarily high, and case numbers 66 and 63 as extraordinarily low. All right. Do you remember how to go directly to the data from your output? Click on the matrix. Okay, so we're interested in SAT math. Where's that? There it is. Okay, so remember, scrolling down, I'm using the wheel on the mouse. 54 was extraordinarily high, case number 54 under SAT math. Wow, pretty high. 730. And just looking at the data, because we didn't do a descriptive analysis or anything like that, looking at the data, we can see that 730 is pretty high. It's the highest, but not only that, but it's high compared to the other scores on SAT math. Then our low score was case number 6, 250. And we had that one dot, if you remember. Let's look at it. One dot for 6 and 63, which means that was the same value. Okay, right here. So this should be around 250. This is 700, so we saw that was 730 right up here. Right? So this is right around 250. Let's see if that's right. Number 6 is 250. Case number 6, 250. Let's look at 63. Yep, 250. All right, one dot for the same value. So our box plot tells us that this case number 54, which was 730, was extremely high, and cases number 6 and 63, which is 250, was extremely low. Outliers. All right.